saw in the time lapse. Pulled toy in here with the 360 in the back of it for Little Blue. Now this lift, we've had issues before, as you guys know. It likes to lean. And now we're on wood. It will break if it's too heavy. So the whole plan here is to get the motor back enough to where we can just pick it up even just a smidgen off the back of the truck, drive the truck forward, hopefully not cause any issues, and basically just drop the motor on the wood and then move it afterwards, right?
Yep.
Right. So let's get this thing on the way. Back to time lapse.
pocket this time?
Go very slowly out. Like, neutral roll if possible.
I'll try to.
And hey,
What?
can you hear me?
Yeah?
Okay, turn on the truck. Can you still hear me?
What?
Can you still hear me?
Yes, it.
Okay, go slow. Wait! Watch your mirror. Holy shit!
And you doubted me. I bet you're probably going in
110. 110. Holy shit. The motor's out of the back of the Toyota. Okay. Let's get this thing semi straight up.
I don't think you can do that.
I can't now. Here, okay. Slowly drop it.
Slowly?
Slowly. Keep going. Okay, well, keep tension on it. Leave it right here for now.
Burn out.
So, on this episode of Back Your Basshead Garage, we finished up a semi-garage revival. We got a couple stuff to do off camera, some more important stuff to move back into the garage. As you can see, the 360 with an NP435 transmission. Motor weighs probably 2,500 pounds with the transmission on it and the bell housing and all the other steel and bullshit. It's out of the back of the toy for the first time in 3 weeks.
Now we gotta go clean it. Which I got money for.
What is it, Toyota?
I'll
So,
pay for it.
we're going to go clean this, finish cleaning up, and get the hell out of here because we got other stuff we need to do today. We're going to stay tuned so we can actually move this into its resting spot over there.
Which you can't see.
Which you guys can't see, I just realized that. So move that into its resting spot right over
Right
there.
there.
That general area. Imagine it. Motor right here. Transmission right here. It's going to be money. So we'll get that done. We'll probably do that off camera, just show you guys afterwards, just because it's going to be a big square fest. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Any final words? You're smiling. Show them your smile. Show them your smile. Come on. You smiling like a dork. Alright. See y'all later. Bye.